In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get WordPress for free. Whether you are a new blogger or want a simple website without spending a dime, WordPress makes it easy. Let's get started. First, head over to wordpress.com. You'll see a big Get Started button. Go ahead and click it. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Apple ID. Make sure the email you use is one you check regularly because WordPress will send updates there. Next, you will choose your domain name. This is your website's address, like yourwebsite.wordpress.com. Keep it relevant, unique, and select one of the free options ending with wordpress.com to ensure your site costs nothing. Once your domain is set, you'll pick a plan. For a completely free setup, select the free plan. This gives you all the basics needed to run your site. No credit card required. Now that your site is ready, you can start customizing it. WordPress offers free themes and plugins to help you design and enhance your website. You can tweak the layout, add pages, and even start publishing posts immediately. Remember, free WordPress sites are perfect for starting out. As your site grows, you can always explore premium options for extra features. But for now, you have a fully functional, free WordPress site ready to share your ideas with the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tips and tutorials.